morning, Barry. How are you? Why do you look so sad? Is it because you pissed on my couch? Barry, what are you doing? You just sitting in the corner? Hi, I'm gonna do my first vlog today. Last week we went to the river with Baron and it was so beautiful. The weather has just been amazing lately. I'm getting ready in this chair, but don't worry, my beautiful new house chair is right there. A lot of things are changing for me soon and I've just been pretty overwhelmed. My brain would not quiet down, but we're pulling through. I think my mood is getting better. I have a full-time job. I use one day of my weekend to film and the other day to edit and upload, which has really been taking a toll on me and it sucks. It's a lot of work and it's already showing to be worth it because I think a lot of people appreciate me reviewing things for them. I love review videos. Honestly, I think it is so amazing how just taking the time to do my makeup and get ready can just make me feel so much better. Not that I hate how I look without makeup, like I used to. I've grown out of that and I'm fine not wearing makeup, but I think this past week a big factor in me not feeling good was just not getting up and getting ready in the morning, doing the bare minimum. I need to get over the hurdle of not getting ready in the morning when I'm feeling bad. I just need to get ready. The earrings that Mason got me finally came. Here they are. They look awesome. I love them. I am gonna go throw on some clothes and film my video. I have a couple things that I need to do today. I need to clean up a lot. Actually, I'm not even gonna lie. This place is a mess. Open my Crocs that I got for my cousins. I got a bunch of Crocs. I got 6 pairs and a bunch of charms and gibbets because I made money off of that affiliate thing with New House, which thank you guys so much if you use my code. I never thought that I would reach a point in my YouTube career where I could make money. I'm profiting off of all the work that I put into that video, which feels so good. But anyways, the first thing I did with that money is go buy Crocs for all of my cousins for Thet, which is Lunar New Year. I am gonna customize them and show you which cousins get what charms. I asked all of them for their favorite color so I can get the Crocs in those colors, and I'm just so excited. So I pretty much gave up on trying to film my video. Just don't have the energy this week. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna add the haul into this vlog and just kind of casually talk about the things I got, why I got them, and all that good stuff. So I wanted to branch out because I shop at Brandy Melville a lot. That is because I love the aesthetic and their clothes fit me. If the clothes don't fit me, then I just try to find the item that I like somewhere else. It's never personally bothered me before, but I totally get why a lot of people are not happy about that. And I just think honestly they're so dumb because they can make so much money if they expanded their sizing. It's like I bought a bunch of stuff from Brandy recently, but I've been contemplating on making a video and I'm so torn because I know that the video does help some girls, but then also like I get so much hate for making the video, so maybe I'll make it, maybe I won't. That's not what this section is about. This is about the stores that I have been looking into that are more ethical and sustainable. However, they are not more affordable. So from And Other Stories, I got a black pea coat. I wanted a staple in my closet, and Other Stories has an amazing selection of pea coats. They are so high quality, such nice coats. I've never been one to spend a lot of money on jackets, But these are items that I will probably have in my closet forever. It'll come in handy like every winter from now. In addition to that, I also got a brownish color peacoat. It's in the color mole. I will also list everything down below, by the way. I saw an influencer that I follow. She was wearing it in one of her videos, and that was the first time that I saw an influencer wear something and I was like, no, I need that exact item. And that's how I kind of discovered And Other Stories. It has the same wool type of material, super comfy, super warm. I've already worn that one out like 3 times. It's so cozy. Moving on from that, I got a cream crop sweater from them and it's really warm as well. I'm very happy about this purchase because it goes well with a lot of stuff. I also got the black wrap sweater, and this is also super cute. It has like puffier sleeves, also is just such a simple staple piece. That's what I really like about this brand, is that all their pieces are timeless. I really like And Other Stories because I feel like I'm buying because I genuinely like the piece and not because it's trending. I'm at a point in my life where I am trying to really come into myself and my style. I have BPD and it's hard for me to really understand if I like something or if I like it because other people like it. So that's something that I'm growing out of right now. The next thing I got was this green cardigan from them, and I have such mixed feelings about this freaking cardigan because it's so cute, like the color, but I wish the freaking waist didn't cinch in because I look like a clown when I have it buttoned up. I wish I would have bought like an extra large and had it be an oversized cardigan. Can't seem to figure it out, so I might alter it. That was my And Other Stories haul. There's 2 more items that I really want to get from them, but oh my god, they're like $130 for a sweater, and I just don't think that I'm at a place in my life financially where I can continue to shop at And Other Stories, at least not to the extent that I just did this month. But I will be picking up some pieces from them here and there. Probably not any huge hauls anytime soon unless my income goes way up or I get some kind of partnership with them. A girl can dream, right? This came yesterday. It says Crocs. The way I do them is I will do a charm, my middle initial, first initial, and last initial. I can't be home this week, and that is on a Tuesday, I think. Thanks for shopping. Come back and take 20% off your next purchase. You know I will. These are mine, but this is for something that I'm doing separately. Lisa is the oldest cousin. She is getting the lavender pair. I placed out all of the gibbets for you to see, and I'm just gonna go in order. I chose Powerpuff Girls for me, Lisa, and Kristen because me and Lisa used to watch a lot of Powerpuff Girls when we were younger. These are my pair. I chose Khaki. There is my Buttercup. Lisa is gonna be Blossom. She has Blossom's personality and I have Buttercup's personality. Well, when I was younger, I really had Buttercups. I love her. She's a badass bitch. There we go. Yay! You're so cute. I hope they love them. Then Tommy is 1 year younger than me, and he chose the pure watercolor. He said sky blue. For the boys, I chose Power Rangers. They love watching Power Rangers when they were younger, and they fought like they were Power Rangers. They each had a ranger. Oh, that is so cute. So these are Tommy's. He gets the White Ranger. That's the one that he likes. Jesse is a year younger than Tommy. He is getting a black pair. He just likes black. Jesse gets the Red Ranger. He also does not have a middle name. So instead of his middle initial, I got him a little PlayStation controller unit. Isn't it so cute? Because we used to play, oh wow, that was a while ago. Maybe it was a PS3. And we used to play Black Ops, like just 1v1. I'm gonna put his little Power Ranger and controller right there. Oh, that's so cute. And those are Jesse's. I wish he would have gotten red. I feel like he likes red, but... Brian is... I think he was born in the year 2000. So is he 21 now? You're 20. You're 21. Brian and Kristen are the only ones who are siblings out of all of us. The rest of us are only children. He asked for this eggplant purple, and it's neon purple. He'll be alright. Brian Trump. And then he gets the Blue Ranger. These are his. Kristen is the youngest baby, and she's not a baby, she goes to UC Irvine. She's like a whole ass woman. She's always gonna be baby to me. She got Ballerina pink. She gets Bubbles because she is the sweetest, kindest person ever, and so is Bubbles. Hers might need to sit diagonally. Oh my god. These are so cute. Those are all the Crocs for my cousins that I will be giving them. And I'm just gonna do this one real quick because I have been waiting for these to come. There's nothing actually really special about these. These are the classic marbled clog in like the green, white marbling. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll actually ever wear these. But this looks like Earth and the land of Ooh. When I was shopping for gibbets, they had a bunch of freaking Adventure Time gibbets. I don't know. This was a me thing. Oh, and I'm using these button letters for it because they're like playful. I have Ice King, BMO, Japin, Bubblegum, Marceline. I even have Gunter, Lemon Grab, and LSP. It's just like one of my favorite shows, so I had to do this, obviously. And I'm kind of pissed that they didn't have Lady Rainicorn because I feel like she is an important character, right? I don't know, but they didn't have her. This is literally the hardest part, is deciding where to put all of them. Marceline is definitely my favorite character. She is the baddest bitch. The first pair. And these are like the kind of antagonists, but they're not really because Ice King is so dope. I think Marceline and Lemon Grab are my favorite characters. Well, there you have it. The sickest Crocs in the world. Oh my god. Look at all of them. Okay, yeah, I've totally changed my mind. These are gonna be my indoor Crocs for summertime. Barry, hi. You got an Amazon package today? Okay, so these are a foot cup wash thingy for your nasty little paws when you go to the beach. Ooh, interesting device. Stick your paw in. Put your paw in. Oh, are you scared? Oh yeah, he's freaked out. Just stick your paw in like this. Yeah! Barry, we'll try again when he actually needs it at the beach. That was a fail. What else did we get? Mason's book came. For Mason's birthday, I got him a monitor that he really wanted off of his Amazon list. But this is something I wanted to get him because he's been cooking lately and he is a dear for doing that. I've just not had any time to cook the meals and he has picked up that slack for us. I got him this book called The Food Lab by J. Kenji Lopez. Better Home Cooking Through Science. I enjoy this book a lot and I know Mason will too. This is totally up his alley. So I'm gonna give it to him at dinner. These are booties. All right, this is gonna go really bad or really well. Probably bad. No! He's so crazy. Like, I don't even understand what goes through his brain. I wanna take him to the park after he gets his parvo vaccines and stuff, but some of the parks here are really sus. There's needles on the ground, and I really don't want him to accidentally step on one. I don't know, I'm just worried about him. Hopefully he takes to these. Wow, look at this. They're kind of cute. Okay, there goes. Yeah, I think that these might have to go back. You don't like them. You don't like them. All right, Barry, what did you think of your shoes? He freaking hated them, so we are returning them. What else did we get, Bear? This is huge. Okay. Oh, it matches my pants. Just a girl and her pug. Nothing to see here, folks. Thank you. All right, he looks like a monk. Do we like it? Does he look cute? Too big for you, bud. I think he'll grow into it though. I think we'll keep it. Orange is the color of your aura, my friend. My camera battery is dying, so that's gonna be the end of my vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Say bye, baby. Say bye. Say bye. Bye.